Depot, family planning 3 months there. Fufufu, ni bo fufufu 5cedis. Obia timinyebi. Obia to prevent unwanted pregnancy. Obi biara ko boy eduabia no fa cheye. Na we there. We there anything. Anything. It's still possible because say ye one is an ambi. 17 member committee to revive Kumaut. Like I thought the Belgian one won't here. And she said, Obi na boy dry a pani chow, on fan chair. Na ye bre. They say kinky na wo and I 5cedis as they see a cotwabana, Mama on Betty Sumayan. You say kinky no, do 7cedis. I crack kinky back here 10cedis. It's still possible to say Mama has turned Ghana into committee republic. Are they? You say kinky no 7cedis, I cry 10cedis. Fish back while already kinky cry 25cedis. They say under Mahama. Ending. We just listen to what Auntie Ness said. Depot, family planning 3 months there. Fufufu, ni bo fufufu 5cedis. Obia timinyebi. Obia to prevent unwanted pregnancy. Depot no I 5cedis 30cedis under Mahama. Times 6. Are depot a shorty. And never also no is close to expiring in June. Now calculate, we are in March. Now you see depot our family planning dry our for 3 months no. I got 3 months now expire. Now we don't know when the new consignment will come. The whole nation is on hold. I say you crop for anything. No family planning they will give birth and I say they will not give birth cry only send na moko to twinia na ebia so amuni scam to drew papa na fina kofo. That is a risk involved. That is where we are now as a nation. Family planning drew, common family planning drew. I na 5cedis no e bi ni ho shortage under John Dramani Mahama 60 days mpo new. And the 100 days there, Jinyami plastic chairs. Auntie Josephine, yeah. Jinyami plastic chairs, oh. It is sad, mobile. It's still possible to say that, Lord, then our population will reach 50 million, but yes. Means they say, yes, we want them to give birth. No, but it's a serious thing, oh. A serious thing. Now, you crop no. Omuya den. Koto your friend is a condom every day. Because almost musisimu ye omude pa. O hianfo na musisimu ye omude. Hianfo no. Omuna musisimu ye omude pa. Omunti mi to post pill nso. Omuni saska. Kaya yes bi wo ho no. Omu ni bebia ombeda. Enti de bia no nkofo repi omu. So depo we ya na omu eya omudi save omu omu fanyese. And depo no so a shorty. O ti ombe no den. People are laughing, but a serious thing, no. People in the health sector understand what I mean. It's a serious thing. Obi already 24 years. Or a para 3. By now cry gravida 4 para 3. I say gravida 3 para 3. Obi already 24 years. The voice, as parents say, the voice tree is good. People are making fun of me. Miss Jenny says, a young for any feelings. Yeah, a young for who the power. Miss Minibi, but Minibi, but yeah, young for na who the power. It takes God's grace to control yourself. Obi had 24 years para 3. I've given birth to 3. Now beto depo unsu you say e bi ni ho. It's sad. Me hearing this one by 30 now you're para 7. Yeah. By 30 years now you're para 7. Now giving birth to 7. Straightforward. That's the kind of nation we want. With free senior high school going down the drain. To a para 3, para 7. It means that all your 7 children are not going to have the opportunity to get any good formal education. Hey, Ghana say bompire. I say bompire pa say the 4 years ahead of us, like it should pass like quickly, should pass by quickly. Yes, if you will endure one day at a time, dear, me plastic chairs. Me plastic chairs, pa. I didn't know. It's been a while. I've been to the hospital, so I didn't know that this was the situation in the public health sector. I'll have to call a public health nurse in Hohi and see what the situation might be, because these are very dangerous things. These are very dangerous things. I'm sad hearing that. Frankly speaking, all jokes aside, I'm sad hearing that. Say depot is shortened. There's shortage of depot. It is well. As you go to your bed, please remember to pray for Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Pray for NPP. We have to be united. We need to come together. The enemy is not ourselves. The enemy is NDC. They are our brothers, but we need to save them from themselves. That is it. NDC man, no. He doesn't know that he's doing the wrong thing. So we have to save them from themselves. We have to let them know they deserve better. Unfortunately. So let's keep hoping for the best. Thank you so much if you've been part of this. As I told you, the YouTube almost ready. Okay, the only thing is that the network disturbances right now in Ho is so appalling, the network, and so I cannot vouch that when I start streaming it will be a smooth flow on YouTube because of the MTN network. And so that is the only thing so far holding me back. We bought, by the grace of God, through your support, we bought the router. I bought data. I have about 400 gig data available. But even now, to come live on the phone, I had to buy another data again directly because the network is so bad. Let me show you. Right here, the Wi-Fi on my Populumaja phone. The Wi-Fi on my Populumaja phone is on. The Wi-Fi is on, right? The Wi-Fi is there, but I can't use it to stream yet. I don't know. MTN used to be very good here. I don't know what happened for the past 3 weeks. MTN is really not stable, so that we can connect the laptop and stream. But no matter what, we will start. Very soon we will start. Hopefully within this March, we will start. Is a promise. We will start. If not starting, we'll do the test transmission and see. And because of that, I will be we'll have to look for a suitable time and hold a meeting where some of you that I know that I have personal relation with, I would bring all of us together in a conference call. We shall discuss how we want the program to be, and then the next step forward and the targets that we want to achieve. Yes, because I believe we have become family through this medium, so you are all part of the decision making body. So I would be in your DMs. We find a suitable time that will favor the people in Ghana and the people in the US, the people in Canada and all over. Some selected people that I know want to see our party move forward and want to see my personal development. People who will keep me on my toes. I'll be in touch with you. We'll have a meeting. Then we'll see the best course forward. Thank you so much. We are 82 people. Can I do the roll call? Okay, let me try.